Malanga awafani Yochika lelifili Iyo
Dumelang sanbonani. Hello my beautiful people. I am Obuhle Bandawo. Welcome back to another exciting episode of Speaking for Stan Diski podcast. As always, we're bringing you classified, flavored content. Same vision, same mission, just different location on Tlhaloganyo. And as always, I'm not alone. I'm with my dog Njaka, and I just love his consistency these days. We are show up, Shemakfani, like Akfani. Yeah, I'm clapping hands for you, okay? So I'm just gonna pass the mic to him as introduce ukuthi yena utilangani.
Awe bafethu mina ngumeja the unknown ongangazi usazongazi. As you know nathi asambi sithu bakhona nabanye kamu behind the cams and Jody behind the cams. So yeah, today is a Katlehong tournament, but as in it is not pretty too much. Nani nizobonela always.
Sharp guys. What's football without coach? I mean, ubani ozokhuluma those boys from where they start to where they want to be. Of course, Ritwedi, one of the coaches of the teams, and they just won. He's gonna dig deep into like his career with coaching and being coach of the winning team. Coach, how are you?
Hello sisi njani?
Nami ngiyaphila wena unjani?
Phila mina sisi wami. Hayi ukujabula nyana nje yabo. Makumsebenza awukakaphili. Sazochubeka last 8 next week. Amajita I think iform ikhona sine number. So hayi kancane.
Okay, I can see excitement it got into you yabo. Before we even continue, can you please tell the people ukuthi ubani wakwabani and which team do you coach?
Oh, igama lami ngumtsamai wakamtaung for Soweto eMapitla. Ngikhoja iMdagasi yasishawela team, and then we've been playing from last year. The team was made last year ukuthi ize ifike la ikhona, but bekungadlali abantu abayaziwa kakhulu like abo Skiroko, abo PlayStation, you name them, abo Blackberry. Like now I think it has become a brand like ukuthi we've got a lot of quality players around Soweto, around East Rand, Nasethembisa, like everywhere you go nje. If there's quality, and then we are connecting the quality nje, mthetho to connect quality.
Okay coach, tell us about today's game. Mawucabanga team yakhe idlale kanjani and what's different from ama team abawadlaliyo in this tournament?
Okay, manje so far ngithi le it was our second game. First game we played against 80 members, and then we won by 3-0. And then namhlanje I think we dropped a little, but what's important ukuthi ama point, not ama points, in ama results. I mean to say ama results are important to move to the next level. So namhlanje play wise I don't think ukuthi I was that much happy nge play it, but after all into season is ama results, and then I told amajita ukuthi chance if akuvumeki ukuthi sidlale they are playing, which means they come with a plan. So thina iplan yethu la is to go here as victorious, sihambe siye to the next level. So ukuthi sidlale kanjani I think okwamanje because of we've won the game, I don't think it will count, but hoping ukuthi next game we will come and display football abantu Australia ngayo.
So speaking of plans coach, of course if you have a football team uba nama plans ukuthi these are the plans that I want for my team and me as an individual. So like mawungasharela nje kancane ukuthi like what are your plans and what are your goals and achievements you want to achieve when it comes to coaching?
Obviously yonke into angithi khona umuntu omunye nomunye uwenzelwe into ayenzelwe emhlabeni. So I think for me it's a calling because of I started at an early age coach, and so far ama results and ama silverwares is something ukuthi now like winning is something ukuthi siyayenza nyawina like, but then I think kusase ngane I think I have to ukuthi mhlawumbe acquire ama certificates ukuthi mhlawumbe nami in the future ngitholakale to kuma PSL teams, and then ngibe grand. Then ange team okwamanje is to just try ukuthi nje and hope and work hard ukuthi si dominate ikasi football, 6 dominate ikasi football because of for now sisase kuleso stage, so we have to accept and see embrace into le sinayo kwamanje.
Okay, so of course coach as a coach you need to be versatile, I guess, right? So kunabafana abancane lana who are looking at umsebenzi wakho wenzayo when it comes to like coaching and abafana laba badlalayo. Of course we're building a legacy and you can see good labafana mebadlala man, like that's where they want to go. So like what are the words of encouragement you'd give to ama youngsters who want to achieve when it comes to the football life?
Okokuqala leyo angeke ngiyishuka coach or mhlambe ngiyenze ukuthi ngikhulume ngenye indlela ukuthi idiscipline, yes, idiscipline, respect and then hard work, ukuba determined. If umfana ufuna ukudlala ibhola kumele abe ne discipline, a train and obviously isikolo amela silandele so that akukhona ukuthi abalance life in, because of yazi ibhola inama ups and downs nini injury and then you don't continue a career yakho then, but if upusha nasesikela uzoba grand and then injalo nje engingakusho nje ukuthi nginike give back some few ways nje kuma youngsters abafuna ukudlala ibhola, like aba continue nje babe ne discipline and work hard bathandaze and then everything kuzoyenzakala bakumele kwenzake.
Thank you so much for your time, coach, and once again congratulations on your win. We just wish you nothing but the best in building the legacy of this kid. Okay,
Fulela mandwendwe, fulela mandwendwe, fulela.
Bafethu, what a day to be alive. Ilanga liphumile lana and nami namhlanje ngijabulile because Orlando Pirates iwinile izolo, Real Madrid iwinile izolo and the team ka Cristiano Ronaldo iwinile. So yeah, let me not talk much guys. My brother, can you please introduce yourself? Utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani, wakabani, uphuma phi and udlalela yiphi team?
Sure. My name is Themba Mshengu, uphume Soweto ngidlalela iMdagasi, nickname yami uGeneral.
Okay, General, can you please tell our viewers ukuthi yini oyithandayo ngama-Kasi tournaments and what do they bring to the people?
Okay, into engiyithandayo ngama-Kasi tournament, they give exposure to ama youngsters wethu. There are a lot of youngsters abasayinile ama professional contract labo njengathi la kuMdagasi sino Sister Monica obekadlala kithi uyitholile contract, sino Messi abambiza uSputnik uyitholile professional contract. So nje ama-Kasi tournament yangichaza nje ukuthi give opportunity to everyone nje, even if noma udlala kuma-Kasi tournament akusukuthi i-opportunity yokudlala ku professional level angeke uyithole, uzoyithola as long as uzimisela nje.
Oh, okay, as a player as you can see ukuthi abantu lana bagcwele bazobukela wena nabanye. So as a player, how do you handle i-pressure yokubukelwa abantu abangaka and how do you prepare yourself for such games?
Okay, the pressure is always there in football, so you can't run away from the pressure. So each game ukuze less pressure, you must prepare from Monday, not with the same langa leli bhola edlala ngalo. So you prepare from Monday ukuthi ungabi ne pressure. If you train well, you will play well, but if you don't train, you will never play well. That's the way yokubalekela pressure.
Okay, as you know, intwana eziningi ezincane ezidlala ibhola zilandela la phansi kwenu and zincela phansi kwenu. Into eniyenzayo wrong zibona ngani niyenza and into right eniyenzayo zibona ngani niyenza. So yipi advice ongayigaya intwana encane efuna kuya kude ne disc?
Okay, into engayigaya nje advice intwana encane. If they must always be in training because akeke udlala ibhola ungajimi. Ungaba istar noma kanjani kodwa nje you must always train.
Okay, ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho my brother.
So my brother, how are you?
I'm good, and yourself?
I'm good, thank you. Ngicela utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do kuSkepe Nketulu?
Okay, this is Tenyanitsa Ukuruza, size 1, Tembisa football icon. I'm a brand ambassador in Skepe Nketulu.
Okay, so my brother, if you'd rate today's game, how would you rate it compared to the other games that you've played?
No, we played better. Remember, the team won 1-0 our opponent, but remember we won as with a red card. That says we won better. Most teams they must score 5 against a red card team. So us, we played better. Remember, Mtagazi, they are the defending champions of Phillies games. Now, how come they win 1-0 against us? Well, Kishota, but I'm still saying I'm a better one against them.
Okay, so of course, in each and every empire you're building, there's going to be challenges. So what would you say are some of the challenges that you faced when building this kind of empire?
No, the challenge part is, remember, my players are not in the same areas. I deal with players from Limpopo, I deal with players from Tsakani, Alexandra. The challenge part that in most cases that I'm facing is where I should collect them. Some of them, they don't pitch, you understand. Those are the challenges currently that I'm facing.
Okay, please tell us about some of the things you change when it comes to Kasi football.
I make sure, remember, in professionally, they have match fees, right? Okay. So what I've changed as Kepen Ketule, every player, he get a match fee. You lose, you win, you come, you get a match fee. The only thing that I've changed is to make sure, remember, South Africa is unemployed rate is high. So with Kepen Ketule, you come here, you come to work.
Okay. So what would you say is that one thing that builds the community when it comes to such challenges and tournaments?
This is the most important thing that they're doing here in Kachi. So remember, as Kepe, I do have my own tournament. Okay. That says I do host tournaments, so that's why I support tournaments. So what they're doing is very important. It builds the system of the football in South Africa. Remember, South Africa country, we are the best. It starts in the grass, it starts here. Okay.
So some few words of encouragement to aspiring tournament hosts.
Now, the most important thing that they have to do, they must go out there, look for sponsors. Remember, I've seen them, I've watched them. The most important thing, I think chairman must go out there and look for more sponsors so that they can help him to monitor the pitch, those things. We played in a pitch that it was not proper, but I understand it's the first tournament or is the second tournament. Those are the challenges. So you just have to attend those basics. Remember, football is professional. I can't play without a corner flag, but I played without a corner flag. I did understand that.
Okay, thank you so much for your time, and we wish you nothing but the best when it comes to your future as an individual and as a team as a whole. Thank you.
Thank you.
Before I start, I have a special message for DJ Kari. DJ namhlanje ngize nabangani bami so bangijikele anginamali ukubuyela emuva. Please do your job, my brother. Phiri Marume. By the way, ngiphethe uMadala Fokof, most yenu niyamazi udlala ibhola eKasi. My brother, can you please introduce yourself ngegama lakho lamampela ubatshela ukuthi ubani wakuphi udlalelani?
Sure. Igama lami Siphesidle Sibonga Mpila. Ngihlala eSoweto eMzimhlophe.
Okay, Madala. Tshela ama-viewers wethu ukuthi kunjani ukudlala kule tournament, abo-referee banitreat-a kanjani and i-ground so far mawudlala likanjani?
I-ground lisharp ukuthi nje lashelela, then abo-refa abasitreat isharp abo-refa. Bayakhetha ama-team, bayasayida.
Okay, as a player, you know ukuthi e-ground mawudlala sometimes kuba khona ama-critics from different people bakutsho ukuthi ufile nani. So how do you handle that as a player?
Ukuthi mina zange ngafika kimi lokho bangicoma since lama tournaments lokho siwadlala ayikho i-support elin criticize.
Okay, since une confident banga criticize, how do you like prepare yourself for ama game waseKasi since wazi ukuthi ne crowd like i-pressure uhandlela kanjani?
Vele sengijwayele from sasemncane ngidlala vele kunabantu abadala, so vele i-crowd sengijwayele sanokudlala gwede obviously ngapha ama-commentator uzwa sekumele uskene wena uma uphasa umuntu wakho mabiza ibhola ke umuso.
So since udlala ibhola like into ekwenza ukuthi ukhethe ibhola kuze zonke iport ezikhona yi like into encourage ukuthi ukhethe i-disc?
Hayi i-disc limnandi nothanhlanisa nabantu ababhaya abantu ongabagcina seniba bangane nxa yebhola.
Okay, as a player yayiphi i-position, the position that you think it's hard ukuthi uyidlale e-groundini and why?
For mina yikho because ngidlala ngenyawo zethu nala ithimini sengiwadlale wonke vele ama-position.
Okay, monga advisor intwana encane eza ngaphansi kwakho encela kuwe ngedisk, ungayi-advisor ukuthi ithini ukuze iphumelele iye phambili ngedisk?
Into engabatshela yona ukuthini baphushe bajime, into ebalulekile ukujima, ibhola uhloniphe kanjalo uphushe uzoba right.
Okay, since wazi ukuthi kusasa i-Ballon d'Or ceremony, which player do you think is going to win the trophy?
Angengitshela mangangazi.
Okay, so far ku-pro side you favor yiphi team and why?
Mina ngifavor i-Golden Arrows, ngithanda yona abafana besi-10.
Why Arrows nawo wonke ama-team? Because most people ba prefer Sundowns, Chiefs, Pirates. Why Arrows?
Because ngiya ngebhola ngithanda mina lama-team ama-ahoti.
Okay, masikhuluma ngama youngsters waku ProSite eMzansi, relebogile Mfukeng, Mfundo Vilakazi, nalentwana edlala phesheya manje lentwana bathu ngiyayikhohlwa lemedlala ku SuperSport. I don't remember his name. So in these three players, start one, bench one and sell one.
Mina ngastarta ngumfundo. Mpenje uReal sitayisele intwana eshow ye SuperSport.
Okay, ngiyabonga for your time my brother. Any word of the day for umuntu obukele?
Babe nosuku oluhle nje kubhekela ibhola kube mnandi lokho engakusho.
Ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho my brother.
Sure.
Of course, just like me, I have my own role models. Untwana uzositshela ngama role models wakhe and ama lessons awatholile when it comes to football. Tshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and udlalela iphi team wena like us.
Igama lami uLebohang Nyakane, ngihlala eTiyetsi, ngidlalela Fighters.
Lebohang awuyazi team oyidlalela kanjani? Yini?
Fighters.
Okay. So Lebohang angisho like uzile la ne ground yini wabukela ama match nanani. So far yini into oyifundile like ground yini?
Ngifunda ukumaka.
Okay.
No defender, no striker. Ama player bangitshela mina ngikore, mina ngidefende, mina ngilungisa ama mistake wami.
Okay, kula ma team la wayi2 wadlala ne uzongibizela uzongitshela uyi1 wangapha kule team na uyi1 wangapha kule team obathandayo ne kuSkepe noMtakasi.
Ngithanda uKajeko ngapha ngithanda uPlayStation.
Okay.
Omunye uJwaha ngapha uShakes akekho
why bathanda yini into inspire rayo ngabo yeah
ibhola labo lihle kakhulu.
Okay, so ku PSL favor iphi team?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Why?
Hayi
nje so u happy so far nge performance yabo? Serious? Usho? Okay, so mawukhula wena ufuna ukudlalela iphi team?
Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay, no Ntwana yami Shem, we wish you nothing but the best ku team yakho oyidlalelayo manje and the future yakho ukuthi udlalele iKaizer Chiefs njengoba uyithanda ne. Sharp continue nje wena, resilient, discipline, focus. Sharp nje.
Bafethu yabona lapha engikhona I'm sure umuntu obukela ongaziyo uyazibuza ukuthi hawule outlet seyiphatha ama mic guys nami ibhola khe ngalidlala la ngihlula yabo into angenza ukuthi ngeke ibhola ucoach wangitshela ukuthi ushota ngestrike ekubeni ngidlala istrike so ngabona ukuthi you know what umsebenzi wami useless so ngaliyeka yabo mara K khuleka ngiphethe uRasta can you please introduce yourself ngegama lakho lamampela ubatshela ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani uphumaphi?
Mina nguJustice ngongudle ngiphume eMthatha eqokolweni.
Okay, Samuel wangitshela ukuthi la kule ground lala eKatlehong uwe ibiggest fan ngebhola umuntu ohlezi ukhona so ngizokubuza ilanga lakho namhlanje linjani and how do you feel about this tournament?
About tournament ngihappy the way nami ngingakhona ngela egroundini ngihappy from the start until to the end.
Yeah. Okay, so since umuntu ohlezi ulana which game like excited you the most since ulana namhlanje?
Igame engilethela today igame eceda ukuphuma das today manje. Yeah.
Okay, as ifan lebhola like lama tournament lawa ayenzeka elokishini yini ayenzayo encedayo emphakathini ngokubona kwakho?
Mina ngibona kwami emphakathini ama tournament mangithatha decision njengomuntu bengidlala ibhola ngiyabona ama tournament ayasinceda kulabantu abantu ababhema ama-drugs ini simnandi siba sharp siba sema-groundini siba yonke into bayi-dictate ba-sharp yeah.
Okay, since uthi nabo udlala ibhola Rasta ngicela ungitshele ubudlala yipi iposition egroundini nje and why ukhethe ukudlala leyo position leyo ubuyidlala?
Iposition bengidlala mina bengidlala u6 yeah bengisesiswini yeah bengoperate isisu.
Oh ayithi uyazi ukuthi uma umdlali webhola kumele ukwazi ukunyakaza kumele ukwazi ukujive ungangishayela idance eyi1
yeah sengumdala manje ngisashaya idance manje I'm very so sorry.
Okay akunanxaki so ngiyakubona ugqoke ishort Orlando Pirates. How do you feel about the performance of Pirates so far?
I'm happy for Orlando Pirates. Pirates I'm happy nabanye njengoba beyikhuluma bathi asinandaba nePirates bona bahleli phezulu. Okay noma thina sihleli phansi mara kusala singama Pirates siyaphezulu.
Eliphi player olithandayo ku Pirates? Name any 3 players oyithandayo ku Pirates.
Thanda uNdoro.
Thanda bani?
uNdoro.
Nobani?
Yeah. Nondoro.
Nobani umunye?
Hayi bobo yithu.
Uthanda uNdoro noNyandoro.
Yeah.
Badlala iPirates manje.
Yeah.
Yibo ama player awina iPirates vele ayenza kahle ku Pirates. Okay isho lapha ecamera inti shout out to Ndoro.
Ndoro.
Ithi shout out to Ndoro.
Shout out to Ndoro.
Amculela ingoma eyi1 oyithandayo eBhakaniya ngizocula nazo ukuncedisa. Asicule sithu.
Bathi kusasa kuseni ngo7 ngohloku amaBhakaniya kusasa kuseni ngo7 ngohloku
Okay Rasta ngiyabonga for isikhathi sakho ne ngicela uphe umntwana nje omncane osakhula umuphi advice ukuthi akhula yenze kahle empilweni.
Okay angizomupha umntwana advice ngoba nami nginabantwana ngizoba sharp empilweni ngizobekezela impilo noma inzima kumele ubekezele empilweni.
Siyabonga Rasta ngicela ungiphi hug.
What's football without our fans? We have one of the fans ababukele ibhola la. He's going to introduce himself. Akutshela ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what team do you support?
Yeah. Sanibonani igama lami ngubhingo wakati. Okay. Sanibonani igama lami ngubhingo wakadube. Mina umuntu engimthandile sofa kule tournament umuntu ongichazile uSkiroko. Londolo Tondolo. Ubani lungelo Tondolo. Yeah. Uyu umuntu sofa ongichazile mina ngihamba nemtagasi sofa kule tournament yabona. Because imtagasi nginika lento engiyifunayo. I love showboating sofa yangithola. Ama player showboater mara namhlaba ngichazanga. Into engayisho ukuthi imtagasi iyo sofa i-team enginika lento engiyifunayo yabona. Mara ngiyabona umse ngathi ugcina sengisupporta wena because there's my favorite player the number 18 I understand. Ngumuntu othanda ibhola showboating kahle yabona. Ibhola elisimple ngilithanda. Alingichazi futhi dami. Ngithanda that adrenaline webhayi umuntu kumele amaka angakhona ukuthola ibhola. Mara mangimaka easy yangithola kuba nalento le ukuthi angichazeki. Mara makuna skill. One of my favorite ngicela ukusho nje. Tumichabalala. Yeah, one of my favorite. Abakhona ngumfanga ngazo hayi yabona. Bathi uyodlala mara like mina so fight i-team engichazile la imtagasi yabona nayi 80 members yeah sorry for kulumini 80 members bengichazile bengihamba nayo mara seyiphumile because imtagasi yeso fight sele ngizosupporta yona ikhaya.
Okay so yini into oyithandayo ngebhola?
Into engiyithandayo ngebhola.
Oh uyadlala ibhola na?
Yeah ngeke ngadlala ibhola so far ngaphuka ayethi ukuthi ngiliyekele because abazali bami bangalithanda. Ibhola bengilazi bengalazi that much bebakhona ukuthi bangigroom you understand. Bengikhona ukuthi ngilalela mabangitshela ukuthi no pass phakamisa inhloko ubheka umuntu wakho you understand. Mara ngikhona ukuthi ngiqhubeke because of the injury you understand. Abazali bami bathi aliyeke ibhola akuselapho.
So manje preferani between ibhola namantombazana?
Ibhola makes me happy guys. I don't wanna lie. Angifuna ukukhuluma izinto eziyalena le. Ibhola yilento engithola injabulo, into engiyifunayo, into ebakubonisa ukuthi ngiyayifuna. Girlfriend ngeke ngitshela ukuthi ngifuna noku anginike. Mara ibhola ngiyakhona bangazi ukuthi PlayStation oshaya iskill, ngiyakhona ngiyobona iskill understand. Abantombazana bangichazi that much. Ngiyabona amantombazana mara ngizobeka ibhola la ngizelanga amantombazana. Yeah.
But kumele uthole umshado mosobo uthi awuzela
ngothola phela guys not about umshado.
It's about what? It's about what?
Ngizela ibhola. That is why ngithi abafazi ngizobabona after maybe after ibhola maliqeda ukudlala kwama ngisabheka ibhola. Yeah nothing much mara ngisabheka ibhola.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much for your time. And yeah.
By the way, lingi ka Stony P ngamangali ngithi ngubi ngoba mangali hayi maningifuna ngangibona ngeStony P otherwise nawo boy.
Yo guys akumnandi la namhlanje nelanga liyashisa but otherwise kumnandi abanye abantu abalalanga bashaye isilala nangu my dog uphethe weekend lakhe yasho ukuthi la makakhona bekumnandi. By the way my brother, can you please introduce yourself utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakuphi and wakwabani?
Sibusiso udubule suka Eastern Cape umXhosa wala eTrinfield.
Okay, ngicela utshela ama viewers wethu ukuthi yini into ekubeka la egroundini namhlanje.
Ukuziveza ukuthi ngiyakhona ukuzithengisela amazimba, amagwayi, angimoshi umuntu.
Okay, since you decide ukuthi usuke lana osuka khona uzothengisela la egroundini, like yini iplan lakho, yini into okenze ukuthi ucabanga ukuthi la egroundini ungaphusha sharp ibusiness lakho?
Ngoba lana sinabantwana amazimba ayafuneka ama ice babhema nokubhema abantu abaningi lana. That's why yabona angifuni bacakeke baye emakolweni bazocharge imoto. Uyayibona ngibekhona la eduze nabo.
Okay, since wena ula uthengisa libukela ibhola or nje uphusha ibusiness?
Ibhola ngingalidlala ukulibukela inkinga ngoba ngidlalile khona kule ground lela lesikolo singekabikho. Uyabona kusase imithi ihlahla kahle uyabona bengilikhaba lana kakhulu ene I do love soccer ne I do love soccer but I'm too old now ngoba mina ngikhaba ibhola uyabona we but umntwana omncane yami encourage ngithi ungabheka amazimba kuphela bukela lapha likhona kanjani lebhola.
Wena ngiyakuthanda ngibona ngathi umuntu ohlakaniphe kakhulu. Since uthi mawudlala ibhola ubudlala yipi iposition?
7 goalkeeper. Number 7 ne goalkeeping.
Okay, so favor yipi team ku professional?
Yo Pagania ngamba nalo nali.
Uthanda name any 3 players oyithandayo ku Pagania?
Hey, angisawazi ekucola amashangane kakhulu uxolo.
Na uthanda uNdoro ku Pirates?
Yabona uqalile ke no umsasasi. Mina Abraham eyiphaka ngithanda lonke kahle mangabe noqala uqalulo yabo. Pagania noma ubani ngithanda wonke umuntu ola kwePagania.
But mangahamba uNdoro ngeke uphatheke kahle ne?
Noma ngahamba sibani so requested athini.
Sithi ngisho ukuthi ngibona eze umuntu ohlakaniphe kakhulu ungakhethani i-half year million ne 500,000.
Baba ngeke ngikhethe ngayibhejelanga ngizoyiphiwa nje.
Up next ifuna phaki baphelane ne-tricky boys. Umdlalo ke uwokugcina.
Oh. Mapran ngicela ubheke iCamera. Ngicela bakubone. Umuntu orayi kakhulu. Yabona mina nawe sibheke iCamera ne singayisaba sibheke. Sibhekele umuntu osibukela ne. Ngicela uphe umuntu okubukela iword of the day.
Yes. Word of my day. My day.
Supporter or player.
Word of my day. I'm kind.
Okay, ngicela siqalele phansi ne. Give umuntu obukele iword of the day because abanye ngathi abakuzwanga kahle.
Ngithi word of my day ne. Word of my day. I'm giving you a word of my day ne. I'm kind, open, you see we blow the way. Ilanga nali ne. Ngumuntu onjalo mina, umuntu ovulekile ebantwini.
So ibusiness lakho so far operate kanjani?
Ngiyawamaketha amakhasimende fastly ngoba angithi ngiyakwazi ukwa approach into ezibalekile kuqala how to approach umuntu uyabona ndingazokuphaphela ungandazi uyabona we ngone ngena ayibomolweni wethu uyabona we
Jonga brand yabulela uyeva ungumuntu like olunge kakhulu ndiyabonga for ixesha lakho.
Bonga mina.
Cela ucule ingoma A1 oyithanda oyithandayo for ama-fans wethu abantu ababukela or ujive any dance
mina ngikwazi ukuthi abangiqinile
ngizokuncedisa
angiphe yakho kuqala msasazi
asenze sithu
eyakho letha ngibambele
ngicela senze sithu or asicule-ke singajive ingoma uzoyilira ngizokulandela
yo bawo Thixo bawo siqolile Thixo bawo siqolile ngawulawu ansayazi uyaphamela aqhubela kudala ecaweni
hayi namhlanje icawa next week uye ecaweni because usahlabelela kakuhle
camakho
ndabulela
mina mntasekhaya yena la ayithada
Commentary that lifts the spirit and the soul. Of course, game actually game without commentators. So we have one of the commentators. And what do they do in such tournaments?
It's JT Laza, half of the Killer Combo, Amaroto, all the way from Soweto. Maroko manje singapha eKatlehong. Yeah, Green Village Primary School if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, uyamazi if uyamazi uChino Brown. Ngishaye ngefone call wathi hayi JT push ngisondele fast yabo. Khona into ephumile ngapha.
Okay. Indaba now. Okay, half of the Killer Combo Pushi Peshi all the way from Msotra 011 Makasana entambeni the Killer Combo izinto ezivula ifridge ngomsila bese thina sidla cheese ngenkani.
Okay. Sharp manje ngizonibiza ngani vele?
The TKC.
Okay, manje the TKC. Ngitsheleni ukuthi what made you ukuthi niqale ukuba ama commentators kuma tournaments aso?
Ayinamangazi yazi. Ivele ayenzakala like I'm serious bengidlala ibhola nami. I used to play for Inaledi Juventus. Abo JT ama former Max Park what yabo. Sivele sahlangana sesihlangana yabo. Otherwise yena bekuyi opponent uyazi bengimnquma yazi.
Hayi commentary. I'm just now 4 years ishaya or 5 years from 2020, 2021 after corona, after COVID. And then yasaphuma ngekasi yabo manje sithembisa sekahlungu angazi ya Maria icommentary mnandi simathathe yabo siya connecta nama player yabo usithola isihleli nawe yabo shoot manje it's a lifestyle lento leze it's a movement, it's a brotherhood, iskipha kwinto esibayo ukubhema tshwala ama drugs yabo lamantombazane sizidlalela ibhola nje yabona.
Why are we catching strays as amantombazana? But it's okay. Of course kuma tournament aso niyabona moza ngithi niyahamba like tournament to tournament. So like what are some of the things eningazishintsha when it comes to fieldini or off the field and imsebenzi wenu as ama commentators?
Eish mele basiphatale. Yabona imali ayimali simathatha. Phela thina sisebenzi yabo. So this is our own hustle. Yangizwala. So if when we tournament organizer angibhadali you are killing the spirit. Phela ngiyenzela imali. I have the passion, the love for football yangizwala. But at the end of the day loyalty doesn't pay bills. Money pay bills yangizwala. Yana sendlini bayasquatela ukuthi sila. Mangena nginayo ukuthenga izinkwa ama the whole thing phuma ema ground. So nama play exactly kushuthi ma win tournament labadlalela 100 or whatever mawuceda ukwina bakuphi into yakho simple simathatha sha
wena my brother yini into ongayishintsha
ay mani imqondo yama tournament organizers man yabo hayi ukuthi nyabajaji yabo sonke sawayenza ama mistake ne ama kumele nabo babuye man yabo ngoba manje babulala ispirit sethu uyobulala nespirit samagents yabo without commentary njengobusho nawe there's no football ekhasi mina kube nomgaga ka yangithola beni
so manje menibhekile nina le tournament ama tournament anaka so our impact kanjani community like besides the fact yokuthi akhipha abantwana estradini for mama drugs like nina menibhekile ukuthi yabona lento le ilifta i-community ngendlela eso like what are some of the things enibona ukuthi community iyalifteka ngabo in such tournaments
yabona makucwele kanje already there's clientele yabo
okay
if wena uvula ishop lakho isiphaza uthengisa ama sweet uthengisa ugwayi uyayazi ukuphala yabo so ama tournament akanje asihlanganisa networking yabona angokwazi sesifike la sonke nawe angazi uphuma eBinoni uyangishashaya angazi mara iyasihlanganisa into kanje so in terms of networking yaba uthaya phanda kumnandi simatha ngiyakubali ngifuna ukuvela ngapha
okay mina ngokubona kwami yabona iyasiza in terms of showcasing in talent yabo asazi kunobani phela la yabona kugcwele kanjani mhlambe khona umuntu obhekile uyi1 bangamscouter njengoba sinabo umduduzi yabona bomfundo vilakazi babuya la uya understand so izinto ezikanje ziyafuneka ekasi yabona kudala
so obvious kunabantwana abancane labanibhekile bathela ama outs lawe ku mic bayashisa yo nami mengikhula ngifuna ukufana naye lo so yini into engayisho ku
angathi kuya esikolweni afunde ayeke lento le yonke izomhlukumeza is he ready to take the sacrifice because he sacrifice a lot so little boy go to school get your diploma nama soccer player manje useyafunda so you must have a plan B yangithola so abanye bayekela ibhola abantu bayo commentator sikhona izinto eziningi ungayishaya nawe njengawe yabona presenting sonke ngeke sidlala ibhola omunye mele ashaye cricket bowling yabona simathasa mara little boy geleza uphume ekasi yogeleza simple simathasa buzalo angazi
hayi nami ngizosho kanjalo vele isigela sibalulekile school bafethu asiqaleni esigela uzoba uphushi after isigela nje yamsophethe diploma yabo uzoba uJD yabo ngiyazi uyafisa ukuba ntwana yami kunzima
okay before ngivala I have two things ne ngifuna word of the day and then le enye umbuzo omncane ukuthi do you think and how can we change lento ukuthi ku commentary kube nabantu besifazane because nabi like mengizibhekile ayi nami ngayishaya lapha mic yabo yeah of course so like menibhekile singayichintsha kanjani lento le
ayi angikavi yabo maka eval khona umunye usisi bathi uMelB what the audios she's trending all over TikTok yabo so nayo uyayiphakamisa iflag le team lakho yabo so bakhona is not man ababathema abantu besifazana ngazi why maka they must give them a chance a shot yabo yeah word of the day yeah, God is bigger than you. I guess God is bigger than you. Mina ngiyakholwa God is bigger than you and whoever yabo. Yangasabu umuntu sabu uNkulunkulu yabo. Yeah, iphela la uthandaze uhlala edolweni yabo. Yeah.
Word of the day, never give up. Yeah, as long umphefumulo usahlangane nenyama hayi asidibeze etsheni asikhale baba asikhale
liutlule liruna never give up as long as umphefumulo usahlangane nani nenyama God is bigger than you. Thank you so much for your time. We wish you nothing but the best ku career yenu as a whole and individually. We just hope and wish ukuthi izinto zingahambela kahle and continue lifting up the flag kuba ama commentators rather kuma kasi tournaments and more sharp
abafethu I'm sure umangele ne amarunga zimangazi lo muntu engimena uyamazi Thothi Matunusa akekho umuntu ongamazi izinja thina uyazi speak and freestyle stila ama big player otherwise mangeke abe la kuba nathi sikho big angithola mara itswara Rodman lami ngicela usintroduce ngegama lakho lamampela because most people bakwazi ngoThothi I don't know ukuthi igama lakho lebhola or bakubiza ngoThothi because of the Italian Thothi I don't know but please introduce yourself utshela abantu ukuthi wena ubani wakwabani uphumaphi
so egama lami lamampela igama ngukateko Macheki ngibuya eSoweto Shawela kaSlam kada.
Okay Grootman because you know umuntu otrendayo emadiskini wasekasi. Can you please tell me your secret ingredient ukuthi ibhola lakho limastara kanjani and le style ohlezi uzenza upractice nini kanjani?
Obviously gym kumele usifunde gymini and nanoma udlala egroundini ungadoubt mawufuna ukuyenza into yenze. That's why nami ngiyenza kanjani itayila zami mangithi ngishaya idolo ngiyalishaya.
As for ama-doubts I know most ama-player ashawa self confident egroundini unokenza into sometimes yasaba ukudlala ebantwini la kune crowd ikhona. As for as a player, how do you handle i-pressure la kune crowd ikhona?
Mina sengijwayele ukudlala kukanje kubhaya egroundini. Yazi ngapha ke iPalmridge hayi ngiyazi ukuthi mangidlala njalo uhlezi ugcwele. Ngisasabi next.
So i-style of play sakho ungasidescribe uthini?
Style of play sami. Mina ngiyaliganda maqeda ngishaya pass. I-style of play sami leso ngidume ngaso.
So you know most yama-coach athanda ibhola like eli professional nama-tactics. As for nina ama-player afana nawo athanda ushukela egroundini ayadrebula nje ucoach untshela ukuthini?
Coach usitshela ukuthi sidlala ibhola lethu singasabi sidlala ibhola lethu makasitshele kanjalo obviously kunesikhathi vele nawe uzobona ukuthi la mina ngudribule kumele udlala ibhola vele lelo kunesikhathi ubona ukuthi la ngathi ibhola seyabhora dribule nyane jabulisa amafela.
Okay Grootman, I'm sure umuntu obukele lana uyazibuza ukuthi okay uThoti njenga adlala ibhola ufavor yipi team ku pro side and iliphi player alithanda ku pro side. Ngathanda ubazisa ukuthi wena i-team oyisupportayo yini and i-favorite player yakho ku PSL ubani?
Team engisupportayo mina iPirates. Hamba ni Pirates.
Favorite player?
Abaningi mara obvious John Wick. Tutuzi Shabalala no Masini. Favorite player this.
Okay, ngizonza into esone I'll be like ngizonema i-player eli-1 eli-better kuno Thembazwane. So if ngibiza any name ye player uyathula until ngize ngibiza i-player eli-better kuno Thembazwane ne. So yeah, Rele Mfukeni Sipho Mbule
obvious pause
asikaka nakude so bamvala
Master Chef hayi pause leya.
So masikhuluma ngoshukela ngakuvala wena uMaster Chef?
Angeke mara ka tribute uMaster Chef idlala 1-1.
Asifana no Blackberry ubani ontswempu ngale bhola lasekasi umshikashika?
Blackberry nje. Blackberry
over wena?
Hayi nje.
Wena umvala ngani ngepass?
Obvious ngepass angeke abuye yena ngokuliganda hayi nje
uyishukumisa.
Uyishukumisa.
Okay Grootman, bengicela ugaye intwana efuna ukudlala ibhola ekasi ikhule ifike kude uyigaye any advice nje ukuthi iphushe kanjani la ifike kuzibe grand?
Intwana encane mazeke ukuyenza into ezingekho eziphuma endleleni zona masifunde ezidlala ibhola zizophumelela one day.
Okay ngiyabonga Grootman, awungishayeli isitaranyana esi1 ngomoya just babonga ukuthi shaka kanjani?
Shaka kanjani awuyazi ngiphasa ngidingisile ngiphasa kanje.
Mangenza song grand. Okay ngiyabonga Grootman lami.
Danko. Awe.
But teamwork makes the dream work. Of course, what would be a team without a captain yakhona who makes sure ukuthi team it always stays intact and kuba ne what do you call this in English? Yona le guys.
Teamwork.
Yes. Unjani captain my captain?
Yaphila njani?
Nami ngiyaphila. Ngicela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what team do you play for?
Igama ugama usibusiso Chawe i-team iNjomani FC and futhi.
Okay. Ngicela usitshele about igame yenu yanamhlanje. How did you find igame yakho yanamhlanje and how do you think your team performed?
I-performance yethu le asidlalile vele ezamajita vele asikhonanga ukuconvert ama-chances esiwatholile so kupedile into engayisho.
Okay, so what do you think would be the cause ukuthi ikubhede? Like of course igame ezoqala niba ne strategy ukuthi if we play like this and that of course we're going to get ama goals. So what is it that you think aniyenzanga as a team that costed you guys?
Into esikhostile ukuthi asikhonanga ipila be slow ipila bethu masicala ibhola emuva. Yeah, into esikhostile vele. Yeah.
Okay, so Captain ku team yakho mawubheka indlela enidlale ngayo namhlanje and i-performance yenu as a whole ni team, do you think there is ubambano and do you think niyazwana and you guys work towards building goal A1?
Yeah, leyo siyazwana vele sadlala as a team vele teamwork vele hlezi vele sibumbane vele. Yeah.
Okay, so if there's one thing or two things that you change ku pitch yala like amakasi football ama ground wakhona, what are some of the things that would change?
Angazi ngathini lapho
How ayikho into ongayichinja, so kusho ukuthi wena you enjoy playing kule ground le, that's what you're saying basically?
Yeah, enjoy ukudlala la.
Yeah. What is it that one thing you'd change wena, or you'd like management or some of the people ama sponsors or people who are listening abangayishintsha about ama fields aso?
Kwamele bayenze umzamo bazosupporta vele sibe nama sponsors sikhona ukuthi sihambe phambili.
Okay, so what makes a good captain?
Discipline. Yeah, discipline too much. Yeah.
Okay. Speaking of discipline, I know most people say discipline. What. Do you think kuma kasi tournaments na ma teams wakhona discipline ikhona?
Ngeke ngikhulumela ngama team angazi. Ngakhulumela i-team yami. Yeah, discipline. Yeah.
Okay. So of course kunabantu nama fans onawo la around. What are some of the words of encouragement or amagama wokubonga you'd give to i-team yakho, ama fans akho rather?
Ngathanda ukuthi sibonge support yabo ama fans for today. Yeah.
Okay. Any word of the day?
Angina word of the day.
Kanjani? You can't say awuna word of the day. Kanjani? How?
Angina word of the day.
Okay, Sibusiso, thank you so much for your time and we wish you nothing but the best ku career yakho. So ngathi ungakhula and be a successful football player and a captain as a whole.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Sharp my brother. Sharp.
Amarakei yazi namhlanje khona samana wele wangitshela ukuthi amantombazana akalithanda ibhola because abalibukeli e-TV, maybe baze ema-groundini bazele abo yabo. So ugele ngifuna ngiprove wrong anitshele something about it because ngineshow ne-idea ukuthi kwenzakalani ebholweni and uyalazi. My girl, can you please introduce yourself, utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani ubuyaphi?
Igama lami nguSindi ngwakamorkel, ngihlala e-Station 9 ngijima e-Scrapyard ground. So everyone ufuna ukwazi ukuthi ibhola linjani ayeze la ngimazongibuza ukuthi ikhamba kanjani.
Uyadlala nebhola? Mina I thought ukuthi maybe you just came here to watch ibhola and support your team. Okay, so since udlala ibhola yini into eyela kumotivate ukuthi uqale ibhola ezintombazana?
Like into eyangibele yangimotivate i-avoid pregnancy, like everything and stuff like alcohol yabona mos izinto ezinjalo. So that is why ngibe motivated ukuthi ngenze njani ngidlale ibhola.
So as intombazana ubani i-favorite player yakho? It's either intombazana or umfana, but player olthandayo leli obona ukuthi you know what lo mjita lo ngenza ukuthi ngafalla in love nebhola?
Umuntu owangenza abantu bayi2 abantu abangenza ukuthi ngithande ibhola like uSibusiso Chawe no play no konje banutsetse fly Ndizamshini lo odlalela amaZion bese uSibusiso yena udlalela iNjomani. Yibo abantu abangenza ukuthi like ngibe motivated ekudlaleni kwebhola, especially my year at the ground.
Awade wekhuluma ngakhona uyangichaza yabonisa ukuthi umuntu ovocal and I'm sure umnandi ngedisc. Which position do you play?
Ngidlala iposition 5. Yes, ngimnandi and I wear jersey number 8 because like labantu laba abagqoka lelo jersey lebo bayangimotivate, bayakwazi nokwenza ini iskill then baphushe baye kuphi phambili, then we do what a goal.
Okay, as a player yini ama strengths wakho nama weaknesses wakho?
Like ama strengths wami ukuthi like ngibe motivated, like ngiphushe kakhulu kuphi ebholweni. So like encourage nabanye abantu ukuthi abantu abafuna ukujoina sikhona kuphi e-Scrapyard ground near Scrapyard. Yes.
Okay, so since uthanda ibhola unayo umuntu lo okusupporta esombiza nge supportive boyfriend or wena kule side leli elinye udlalela another team. What's going on?
Yes, sinayo i-supportive boyfriend which is Sibusiso Chawe odlalela Injomani. Uyeza every time ezazongisupporta like nami nyaza ngizomsupporta while today bebadlala lana badliwe, but then I was there to support him.
Okay, mina ngicela uniphe advice nomuntu wakho ne ngicela nijime together guys, like nijime together because I know umjita ukuthi ibhola uyalazi umnandi imkhuthazana. So yini into ongayipha abantwana abancane so abasadlala like abathanda ukudlala ibhola bafike kude nebhola, any advice ongabapha yona?
Or any advice engizobapha yona ukuthi like abangifollowe ku TikTok ngikhona, ku Facebook ngikhona, ku WhatsApp ngikhona, ama number wami 0715848918. So beze bazongibukela ngihlezi ngise scrapyard ground everywhere like I go ngiyakhona. Nomuntu wami ngiyajima mangithole isikhathi naye. Siyajima together but not full time.
Chawe my brother, i-girlfriend yakho bayithatha ubize ama number and I'm sure umuntu ozobabukela le video uzoyenza irun slow so that azozwa le number grand. Are my brother ukuyela uyahamba manje uyabaza abajida abathanda amashare. My girl, thank you for your time and yeah, if uyakwazi ucula ngishayela ingoma e1 egwitshu because nyaza amantombazana na le voice ingoma nje e1 egwitshu ngizokuncedisa ungawari.
Ayuno njabulu yokhale zintabeni, uno njabulu yokhale zintabeni, mama 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 mama. Ngiyabonga guys.
Ngiyabonga. Tolbatshela abantu ababukela i-channel yethu lapha ukuthi basubscribe phela nakithi. Ungabatshela ngama-number wakho kuphela. Batshela ukuthi basubscribe Pick and Frustan YouTube whatever.
Okay guys, subscribe YouTube. Sikhona everywhere. Sikhona Facebook, WhatsApp. Sikhona siyatholakala.
Memez Pick and Frustan.
Bini?
Pick and Frustan.
Sikhona bafethu.
These are some of the people who impact positively to future rather and growth yama team. My brother, please tell us ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
Mina ngumashaba. So what I actually do like the team, basically I'm more of a supporter.
Okay.
So what I do, amachita ngikhule nawo. So ngikhuluma nawo in terms of what I actually see on the field. You understand? Remember, coach cannot see everything within the field. Menezi out here, I just tell them what I actually see and what they have to do, just so that we can win the game. It was so unfortunate that today that was not one of the days. But then we just have to make it a point that next time we make it better, we capitalize on whatever that we've missed today.
Okay, so how do you think team yako have handled the lose today? And of course, Mengena on the pitch, you have Guti, a goal. Guti, this is what we do. If we work towards this, and we're gonna achieve a goal. So do you think there's something abangayenzanga? And yeah, how did they take the lose?
I cannot say there's something abangayenzanga because we all have the same mindset. Masingene ground we are a team. You understand? I always emphasize Guti, there's a difference between a team and a group. So we are a team. Yonkinto sibambisana ngendlela eyi-1. I-group so ibamba after i-game. So sidlale njenge team. It was so unfortunate ukuthi i-team besidlala nayo yele yathola i-chance capitalize kuyo and then they had to win, yabo. But then kwezinye izinto bona bayabambe kanjani lose yanamhlanje akekho umuntu othanda lose. Akekho umuntu othanda lose, but then ngivele sabatshela ukuthi yazini we still have more games ezizayo. Le lose ya today, it has to be a lesson ukuthi if as capitalize, let's not allow any team isebenzise ama chance. Thina masebenzisa ama chance icala bona bawumoya just so that sizokwazi ukuwin game. Yebo, so into esitshela amajita today. Asazi ukuthi na next game bazoyenza, but then I believe ukuthi bazoyenza.
Okay. Besides the fact that team yako iwin, what are like some of the things you change about today's game regarding abo refi, the pitch, the crowd and all that? Like, what are some of the things you change?
Some of them that will change before sizongena kubo refi, it's the mindset yethu as a team. mele sibe ne mindset ukuthi we win. Yabona ma we play amazobheka ureferee kakhulu already so losile. Kumele ubheke into izele groundini. Fana nasemsebenzini mawuzobheka umuntu okuphethe. You understand? You want focus kulento wena oyizele. Yabona? So in me saying that, I cannot dwell much kubo referee. We all know ibhola lasemzansi. You understand? Ureferee naye umuntu njengami nawe. I-mistake ayenzayo ngale, he can make the same mistake nakithi. So thina we always have to make it a point ukuthi senzani siyawasebenzisa ama chances, sidlala as a team, siyakhavelana, siraselani, yonke into iba right. Yayibona? So I don't want to talk more about ama officials. I'd be lying and ngizobe ngumuntu engasuye. Ibhola ama officials are there to officiate the game. Thina we there to play the game and win the game. Yabo? So angifuna ukukhuluma ngabo referee mama ngizobe sengiyashawa ngento engekho.
Okay. No, but it's your opinion, but I understand. Do you think the game was fair? So when basically there's nothing you change rather than the mindset of you guys as a team. So when like personally you think the game was fair?
You know, we've played so many games there. Okay. For me, this was one of the fair games that I've ever seen.
Okay.
Sidlala ama game la kunguthi you see ukuthi sibamba ngomlenze.
Yeah.
You understand? So lana if ngathi sidliwe bani? Sidlile thina ngokwethu. You understand? So that's why ngisho ngithi I don't want to lie about ukuthi sidliwe unfairly. No, sidliwe yes. But then it was a fair game. Goal was fair. There was no goal ekunguthi manje sizothi no referee uyele wasibamba ngomlenze nanani. It was a fair game. Thina we just have to focus, siphakamise umzimba each and every game, i-mindset ibe right. Obviously we cannot say much about izinto ezenzakalayo within the team. Yabona? But then we can just say thina as a team, i-mindset mele ibe one. To say that this is what we're going to do. Labantu laba sihlala nabo asibasabi. We're just going to show because ama team amaningi ayasaba.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay.
Because they know our style of playing. Yabo? So nathi kumele senze sibambe le mindset ukuthi okay fine masifike ground labantu asibazi nabo basazi, it's more like a new team. Sizobadla. Then everything will be okay.
Some few words for your team and for your fans and the aspiring young boys who want to play football and women who want to play football.
You know what I can say in terms of the youngsters that want to play football. Ibhola mawudlala you have to put effort kuyo, kumele ulithande kwawena yabo. It's so unfortunate ukuthi ibhola lamanje abantu they call each and everything mabaze grounding they call it a call up. You shouldn't take it as a call up. Take it as if when you're going there just so that you can enjoy what you're doing or you love what you're doing. That's where opportunities arise and then people will get to call you. But then if when we tata njenge call up, that's where mindset yakho ya shifta from what you love to what you actually from what you love. So we tata njenge hobby. You understand? There's a difference between amachita itata as a career. If we tata as a career, then stick to it. If we tata as a hobby, stick to it. You understand? But then what I can say to my youngsters, they have to put the focus here to what they love. You understand? This is something that I do on my spare time. Because you know what you you have to balance between the two. Whilst you still at it, focus on Napoleon, focus on Skolen, focus on whatever that you want to do. And then uzo balance yonke. But then mina lento yokuthi umuntu uzothi kimi no man momfonela ngicela uzodlala and then already they're talking about money. Then it shows that they're not all about playing football, they're all about money. Sidliwe namhlanje ubofuna imali. What is in it for us? So for the youngsters, they have to take ibhola serious. It's unfortunately it's not everyone that gets to succeed, but then you might be one of them that will get to succeed. But that's all I can say.
No, thank you so much for your time and we wish you nothing but the best. Good team Yako and you as an individual. We admire the work that you do and Kubega and encourage and build those young boys.
Thank you so much.
Sure.
So guys, before we start, I would like to thank abantu bala eKatlehong siphatheke kahle kakhulu lana kube mnandi yonke into enzakala lana imnandi. So ngizocela ubaba ukuthi unbrief ukuthi kwenzakaleni namhlanje. Baba bengicela ukuthi before you start introduce utshela abantu ukuthi ubani wakabani and uphumaphi.
All right. Mangibonge guys ne. Igama lami ngoAyanda Mareza sika Mareza Yoli ne. Ngiphuma khona kule Ward 58. uMareza ubuya kude kakhulu ngendaba zebhola. Buya try again FC wayedlala eDavidton nabo Madlandla, aboSkapi Malansi, wonke nje nabo ngabala abantu abaningi. So ukuba khona kwenu guys ngiyabonga kakhulu la eKasi Ward 58.
Okay, bra, Sika Mareza, since ulana, I think you've been here for the whole day. So, ngicela utshele ama viewers ukuthi i-tournament iqhubeke kanjani, yini eyenzakele so that nabo ba understand ukuthi umsebenzi wethu siyenza kanjani, like cause kumnandi for thina ukusebenza nabantu abafana nani. So please brief people about the tournament.
All right. Ngiyabonga kakhulu. Since siqalile i-tournament ne, since bokumnandi wonke umuntu ujabulile and futhi kakhulu eGreenfield ngiyaqala kuyibona iso igcwele abantu abaningi kangaka kusho ukuthi istandard sebhola siyakhuphuka la eGreenfield. Ngiyabonga ngoba khona abantu abafana nani guys.
Okay, as we all know, siyazi ukuthi kuyo yonke into eyenzakala emhlabeni ukhona ama advantages nama disadvantages. So what do you think ukuthi ama advantage nama disadvantage webhola waseKasi, like ungayichaza uthini indaba ama advantage nama disadvantages webhola laselokishini?
All right. I-advantage yokuqala yaseKasi ukubulala inyawo ngibona abantwana abaningi abazokhalela okokuqala abazokhalela uba umadunusa abazokhalela uba ubani i-advantage yokuqala. Disadvantage yokuthi sibulala ngicabanga ukuthi abona inyawo ngiyadoubt ukuthi singaphinda sibabona eKasi abaningi, maybe ngayenzeka maybe ngaba 5% yabonyawo eKasi. Ngiyabonga.
Okay, yini into ongathanda ukuyisho uyishare ebantwini ababukele like for ezintweni esifana nebhola, so any advice for younger people umuntu osafuna ukukhula nebhola aye kude, and any advice for umzali okhulisa umntwana especially umntwana omfana noma intombazana ukuthi angamkhulisa kanjani so that azokwazi ukuavoid izinto esifana nama drugs and all that?
All right, thina singabazala ngoba ngomzali masilandeleni ikhono lomntwana. Umntwana makethi udlala ngebhola, ngaphandle ungathi hey ngiyahombophe imbiza or amabhodo into ezinganjalo ne. Asilandele ikhono lomntwana and then kunye okay asame ukusupport abantwana whatever umntwana into ayenzayo masame kumsupport. Before sivale ke ngicela ukuveza into encane nje lo ungangibuzanga lana sikhiqizile abantu abafana nabo bando undaba ethe uPhilip Ndlondlo ngomunye bemlanda kubo ngasemuva eRomini eThokoza simfaka kuGreenfield FC. Ngilandile uNation Love sekezibiza ukuthi ungasethembisa. Nation Love beyiqoka nama 12 tickets TS Galas. Ingosi yakithi umntwana kithi namanje ngimsaka Chipani United Tuesday ngizobe ngigibela iflight eya eBay Chipa United. Ngicelile just 2 days ukuthi bambheke kodwa Bushule buya kuboma Joma Cosmos. Ngiyacabanga ukuthi abaningi bayamazi. Ngiyabonga. Nami yamazi odwa Bushula because ngimazi asadlala kumamba. By the way bra Ayanda siyabonga for isikhathi sakho and for into yenzayo leyo khambisa ama player. I hope and I wish you all the best kuyo yonke into yenzayo ukuthi yonke into yenzayo uThixo abe nawe. Siyabulela. Obrigado.
Of course, Isaqhubeka guys, bringing you the heat. We have Ama fans. Of course, what would be football without Ama fans? My brother, please tell abantu ukuthi ubani wakwabani and what do you do?
Igama lami uColani ngiphuma eKahlongo. So it's my first time ngiza lana, so ngilana just because ukuthi ngizofuna ukubukela ibhola, ngiyazi ukuthi eKasi abantu bane talent. So I'm here to experience another talent from away from home. I understand. Yeah.
Okay, speaking of talent, have you seen talent so far on this pitch?
Yeah, I have seen talent.
And what would you say about that talent, sir?
What I will say, like we have a lot of talent eKasi because I'm one of that, like I'm one of the team because ngingadlala ibhola, but then just azange ngihambe ngaleyo ndlela leyo, but otherwise yeah.
Okay, like just just like for a few minutes, you can take us through your journey as a football player, because you also played, so you can take us through your journey.
Yeah, okay, my journey ngasho ukuthi okay, ngidlala ibhola like from grade 3 ngadlala until grade 10 whereby ngihlangabezene nezinto like wrong, you understand? So I had challenges. So yeah, kambe ngaleyo ndlela le, but I'm glad because manje ngisalandelela ibhola, not like ukuthi ngisalidlala or how, but ngisalandelela ngilazi ngelinye indlela ukuthi I have even a certificate now of coaching, you understand? Yeah, so that's why like ngilandile na ukuthi yeah, I would love like ukuthi ngikhona ukuthi encourage abantu basekazi ukuthi like it's possible, guys, you understand? Yeah, it's possible. It's not like ukuthi just because usekazi angeke kwenzeka. I've been there. Okay, it's fine, angizange ngiphumelele, but then yeah, I've faith ukuthi la umuntu osekazi angakhona ukuthola something.
So what are some of the few things you'd change about Ikasi football as a whole?
I will change. Yeah, I think I usually change like ukuthi the more sifake effort ekhasi, the more ibhola lekhasi izoshintsha. If we don't put more effort ekhasi, ibhola angeke lichinje. So the more we put effort more ekhasi, that's when ibhola lizokhona ukuchinja. Yeah.
So when I imapha ama-team owalandelelayo kuma tournament aso, and why do you choose to be a supporter yalawo ma-team lawo?
I don't choose, I support each and every team ekhasi because that's where I'm from. Nami ngifuma ekhasi. Yeah, kuyenzekile ukuthi angizange ngiphumelele lapho, but then I support each and every team. That's why now mangangibuza ngisupporta Egypt team, England, I don't support any team. I support PSL Kaizer Chiefs.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm so rude when
no strings or what nje.
And futhi ungangibuza why England ngasupport each and every.
Why?
Because ngithanda ibhola lakhona. Ibhola alidlalwa i-team, ibhola alidlalwa each and every team. You understand?
No.
You don't understand? No. Can I clarify that?
Please.
Okay, the reason I'm saying that, like PSL, the intensity is too low. Intensity England is too high. You understand? Yeah. So the hence why I'm supporting like I don't support any team in England because I like the intensity. Each and every team is challenging. That's what I want. That's why I'm here. Like each and every team, my supporter like ekhasi, I understand. Like I understand. I'm trying like into into abayidlalile ekhasi. Ngifuna ukusho one thing sister.
Okay.
Ngifuna ukusho ukuthi ekhasi akekho umuntu ozokucheck ukuthi uyasaba. You understand? Into ngifuna uyenze ke PSL le. Yeah. Into ngifuna uyenze ke PSL. Akunamuntu osabayo. If you don't have a fear, you have faith. You understand? So into ngifunayo le nje cha.
No, okay, we admire your work, and yeah, ngathi ungaqhubeka encourage abantu with also your coaching journey. We wish you nothing but the best, and yeah, thank you so much for your time. Some of the people who contribute positively to the community and to the people who are playing the games, obviously. We have the organizer of the tournament. He's gonna dig deep into why and how he started this whole tournament. My brother, please tell the people and what motivated you to start this tournament.
Okay, my name is Sivio Ngeno, commonly known as Mr. Brown. I'm a ward committee in sport, arts and culture and recreation at Ward 58 at large, which constitute 5 VDs. So I'm doing this event as part and parcel of my sector of sport, and it's not a first time doing this event. It's a third event that I'm doing. Specifically, we are not focused on soccer only, we also doing netball and other sport codes. So what motivates me is the day that I've said to my community I'm available as a ward committee of sport and arts and culture, and I believe that by saying I'm available, I must deliver to the community as per my portfolio. That's why I'm hosting this event on behalf of my portfolio.
Okay. So please tell us, Uguti, of course course, when you host such big tournaments, there's going to be challenges that you face. What are some of the challenges that you have faced, and would you say that you have worked towards them, and how did you do that?
Okay, look, the challenge, most of this in nature, they are very, very common because we have a challenge when it comes to the sponsors or donors, people who come forward and say, let me contribute to this small tournament, to this small event. But God is always coming with alternatives anyway, because we always pray for something better, which is SCORE energy drink and my ward councillor. My ward councillor is always with me, always getting the alternative so that we can run the event. It's not, I mean, when we send the proposal to the sponsors, they look on the bigger figures, which is we are not much focusing on the big figures. Anything that you can be able to afford to give back to the community, we don't have a threshold. We accept anything that we can be given by the donors and the sponsors. So those are challenges. But in terms of teams affiliations, teams are responding very well, even though some teams are coming from different background perspectives because they don't have much capital. Some, they are not paying a full affiliation, they pay bit by bit, because we are saying, look, if you come with an alternative how you're gonna pay the affiliation, why not? We must grant that, because some chairmen are not they don't have much opportunities in terms of capital. So those are the little challenges that we are facing in terms of running this event of nature. It's a sponsorship. The people are not supporting us in terms of contribution, but SCORE is always with us. That's what I'm saying, and what council. That's what I want to say.
Okay. So how do you handle the community? Of course, there are some moments where the community, they're just not gonna behave the way they're supposed to behave. So how do you handle the community, and also making sure that players are safe and they will catered for when it comes to their safety?
Now look, the tournament of this nature must have, it's a matter of must, you must have rules and regulations at place. You must have tournament rules which will guide the teams how they must behave. Each team, before they play, you make sure that you distribute the rules and regulation for the tournament. As much as we have crowd like this, these crowds belong to the different teams. So each team must give to their supporters or their fans that, okay, here are the guidelines or the matrix of this tournament. Should we misbehave, here are the consequences that we're gonna face it, and should you do anything that is against these rules, you'll find yourself in a bad position whereby you'll be facing the court of laws, because anything that you are doing against the law, there are consequences. So this event is guided by the rules of the rules and regulations.
So have you seen any success stories coming from the players coming in this tournament?
The ground is fertile. By having cameramen that are here taking videos, having MK, having Disky Cat, having Desco Snaps, those people are having their own social media and attracts lots of followers. I've seen some players rising from tournament of this nature, and here this is a grassroots whereby the players they can showcase their talent, and the scout can be able to come and sign the players without being recommended by the agent. They can be able to spot the player that they are looking for by their eyes, rather than the player can be invited on training on a basis of profile. So on this tournament of nature, because we don't have we don't have what to call it guideline whereby we are saying the agent in order for them to come here they must do 1 2 3. No. It's free. They must come and I mean the team owners they can come and have a look for the players for themselves. It's free. They sign for free. There is no any fee that we require if they spot the players. If they spot the players, they take that player for free. So all I'm saying is the ground is fertile because we have lots of media coverage here.
Okay, we admire your work and thank you so much for giving us the opportunity to come and experience such great work. And we thank you for being a positive impact into the community. And thank you so much for your time. Have a great day.
Thank you, man. I just want to pass this word.
Okay.
It's very, very fortunate to have people of this nature, of the caliber. It's also assisting us as a tournament organizers as Sakulayo. You'll never know who is watching. Maybe someone who's watching out there can be able to spot something out of me. Ngizibone sendikwenye indawo. Nami ndiyafisela uThixo through icompany yenu anibusise icompany yenu ikhule ibe recognized worldwide. I can see you guys, you are doing exceptional well, you are doing a great job. Whatever you guys doing, please put God first. God will open all the doors that are being closed.
Thank you so much. Thank you. We appreciate it so much. Thank you so much for watching until the end. We appreciate, guys, your support. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your post notifications so that every time we drop, you're already within. If you have anything to say to them, pop in a word of the chain.
Guys, nothing is the just to holiday, and right now you can save £50 for Yadala guys, thank you very much. As she says, subscribe, is follow and my video way too. So yeah, word of the day, guys, if kunzima yagela ungafoster ngiyadlala guys, noma kunzima chubeka ufoster part uzophumelela awezi.